Alright, so in today's video we're going to go over how to program a Pentair SuperFlo pump. I'm not going to go too far in depth with this. There are other things that we can go over and cover. However, I don't think it's necessary. If that's something that you're interested in, comment down below. We can revisit this. We can go over everything. But in today's video, we're going to go over things like how to set the time, the speeds, the durations, programs 1, 2, 3, and quick clean. Now, before we get started, if you don't mind, please give the video a like. Also, subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. With that said, let's go ahead and get started in the video. Alright, so to get started with the pump on off, we're going to go ahead and we're going to hold down display for a few seconds until we see 12 hours pop up on the display. Now this is just standard time or military time. I usually stick with 12 hours just because it's easier. With that set, we can hit display one more time and that's going to bring up the time. Well, you're going to set this time for whatever time it is at that moment, right? So if it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, you're going to set it for 3 o'clock in the afternoon. You're going to want to make sure you pay attention to AM and PM, because if you don't have that set right, then it's going to throw off your programs. Once you have it set, you can go ahead and either hit display again, or you can hit one of the programs. Note that if you hold the button down, it goes a lot faster. If you hit it once, it goes slower. So that's just so you can kind of scroll through the the time a lot faster. Now I can go ahead and I can hit program 1. As you see, I have program 1 set for 3100 RPMs, and the reason I have that set for over 3000 RPMs is because there's a heater. If there's a heater involved, I always set it for higher than 3000. You'll notice that it says, if I click it again, you'll notice that it says 9 a.m. That means that the pump is going to turn on at 9 a.m. The second one that says 9, that's 9 hours. So I can set it for 12 hours, 5 hours, 4 hours, whatever you want. And that means it's going to run at 3100 RPMs. It's going to turn on at 9 a.m. and it's going to run for 9 hours. The second program, you'll notice it says 1800 RPMs and then it says 4. That's 1800 RPMs for 4 hours. Program 3, I don't set that. That's just, you'll notice it says 0. That means it's not going to do anything even if you hit the button. Now quick clean, I put that for the max RPM, which is 3450, and I set that for about an hour. The reason I do that is so that when I go there, I can just hit quick clean. I'm going to get the max RPM, and if I forget and I leave after an hour, it's going to go back into its normal programs, so I don't have to worry about it. Now you can go ahead and hit the start button and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys.